What's up, crypto heads? I hope all doing bye. 3, 2, 1. What's up, crypto heads? Welcome to my channel, Bitcoin Street. I do believe Bitcoin is topped out. With banking fears easing, I do believe this is going to be the true top here. I'm still watching the 27,850 level. Yesterday's candle closed a little below it. The day before it closed a little above it. Currently, we're sitting right above it again. A lot of this was the banking fear, right? Bitcoin's built for the banks to fail, in a one short sentence to describe it. When those fears go away, Bitcoin should drop, sentiment should turn, and it's got to be overbought right now. It was overbought basically a week ago, back here on this wick here at 26,700. And the hype squad, don't underestimate the hype squad, right? There's lots of people on social media that they bought Bitcoin a long time ago, and it's just nonstop. They just want you to buy and buy and buy and buy, and that's what the public likes to do. And it just dumps in their face. So be careful. I'm going to go down to the 5-minute chart. I got these little channels back here, the little spider webs behind the candles there. That's on the 5-minute chart. I think I've identified the top. Now, it could still pump up, but I don't think it's going much over 29,000. And I think 30,000 is asking a bit much. Okay, this is the 5-minute chart. Yesterday, I tracked this ascending parallel channel here. It broke out the bottom. So I really don't like when Bitcoin pumps hard on hype, because it just all technical analysis just kind of goes out the window as far as I'm concerned. And it's I really dislike it. It's annoying, and it's bad for the public in the long run, unless you're used to it. But I did get trapped in a position, but let me show you that here in a second. I was distracted. I wasn't paying attention, and I can't believe I got stuck in another position, and I did. It's in this parallel channel. This white line here is the one at 27,850. We've been below it and above it for a while now, and you can see the orange trend line here. A breakdown out of this would be about $600 would be the target. Now, I don't know if it's going to do that, but it has broken out now, and this could be the signal at the top. Let's go back to the daily chart. I want to show you where we're at here. Put this into perspective. This is the daily chart right here. See that? See those two channels there? The last two daily candles, little channels behind there. That's where we're looking, right? And then those are steep. The second one's even steeper. I like it when they're steep. It's going to be hard for Bitcoin to break up out of here. I would use the word likely impossible, but you never do know. With the bank fears easing, that's going to hurt the hype squad on social media, right? And as price falls, it's hard to hype it. So I do think this might be it. This might be the start of the dump. Let me show you where I'm at here. I'm actually protecting my position, my short position that I got stuck in. But if I wasn't protecting it, this would probably be a good place to have shorts. Now, I have a ton of little short positions here, $10 and $20 ones. Femex, the smallest you can go is $10. And then multiply that times leverage if you like. But these are all $10 and $20 shorts. And I have them starting at 28,300. Let's scrunch this down all the way up to 29,000. I just want to put this into perspective for you, what I'm doing here. So if the price, I'd actually, even though I'm in a short, I wouldn't mind to see Bitcoin try to pump back up here, get in the channel, and come to the top at 28,700. I'd like to see it come up to 29,000. I'd like to see all those positions fill and then dump, but that's just what I'm doing. I'm not telling anyone to do this. I just like showing when I get a good feel for what might be going on. I like to show what I think might happen. Now, maybe none of these positions fill, right? Maybe I made this video for you too late. I should have made it yesterday. But, the bank story is a real story. And if banks just went down like dominoes, Bitcoin would absolutely moon. So that could still happen, so be careful. But it looks like the bank's story is slowly going to go away. If it slowly goes away, then sentiment for Bitcoin will go away. Because, not because Bitcoin's bad or I don't like Bitcoin, but because we're just in a bear market. Right? We're right about here. and the banking crisis pumped it up to like here, but we're still here, right? We could still come down below 16,000. I know some people might think that sounds ridiculous, but I assure you, we are in a market cycle pump. This is the anatomy of a pump. This is an old one from Wall Street cheat sheet. We're right about here with a big, select this wick on this one here, put this wick like over here, or these couple candles here. It's come up a little higher because of the news, and the next halving is not till estimated for April 14th, 2024. So almost 13 months from now. That's what causes the real bull market, and we're still over a year away from that. So I do believe it's time to make the video call for the dumpy doodah. I sure do hope you like my channel. If you like it, like the video. And before I start stuttering, please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
One minute to post.